Right, see, I've managed to get the two tools in there, having run the craft knife around. What I did originally, open it up with a screwdriver and a rag to check the paint, just to get the initial start on it. So nice rag there, screwdriver into the edge just to get it started. Get push the screwdriver in to prise it away, then run a craft knife around the edge just to separate the bead a little bit, and now we're in a position to just work it off. So that's what we're up against. Oh, it has got the centre tab on it, this one, so the badge I bought was going to work. Cleaned that up, put the new one on, bolted all together, and don't forget, folks, to put some grease or something on your nuts and bolts, because it makes them easier the next time you have to take them off, or it makes it easier for the next time someone else does, and they will thank you for it.